Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HP. I'm just going to give you guys a little tech tip. We had an '09 Volkswagen Jetta come in, misfiring like crazy, idle. It's got the 2.5 in it. Pulled the throttle body off to clean it and check it, and we found that the intake is just, that's all oil. It's filled with oil. So turns out the misfiring was basically a vacuum leak caused by I guess it would be like the PCV valve that's built into the valve cover here, and it was just draining a bunch of oil in there. So if you guys have a 2.5 on the Jettas, Golf, or something like that, and you're running into that issue where it just runs like dookie and there's no codes that are helping you out except for misfire codes, pull that throttle body off. It's just 4 bolts and 2 plugs, I think, or 1 plug, and check and see if you got oil down in the intake. Or you could even pull off right here and see if there's a little bit of oil inside of that. But that might give you a better idea. I mean, another thing you could try to do is pull this off and just plug it with your finger like that while it's running, and see if the vacuum leak prevents it from makes it idle better. So then you would know where you're at. But basically this is just running wide open, sucking vacuum right in there, throwing everything off. But might have a video for the valve cover if I can get one ordered in, and if I can get it approved by the customer. So keep us posted. Check us out on Facebook, hit the like button, subscribe, and as always, keep wrenching.